BigRead AI is a brand new AI software, and today we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about it before you decide whether it's the best solution for your needs. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether BigRead AI can help you improve your business or personal projects. Stick around for some surprising insights, and you'll want to hear how you can try BigRead AI completely for free from the link below. Let's start with the first thing you'll want to know. BigRead AI focuses on one major thing, helping you process and understand vast amounts of text in a matter of seconds. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or someone who just needs to digest complex information quickly, this software does it all. It simplifies massive chunks of data and pulls out the key insights, saving you hours of research time. The second thing to note is how BigRead AI's natural language processing works. Unlike other tools that simply summarize text, BigRead goes deeper, analyzing the tone, structure, and key takeaways from the content you input. This means you're not just getting a basic summary, you're getting an in-depth, actionable breakdown that allows you to make better decisions fast. Now let's talk about its versatility. BigRead AI isn't just for business professionals, it's also fantastic for students, researchers, or anyone who needs to process large volumes of information quickly. This AI software works with articles, research papers, reports, and even books. Basically, any text you need to digest in record time. Next, BigRead AI comes with an intuitive interface that doesn't require you to be a tech expert to use. You can start processing your content immediately, without any long learning curves or complicated setups. If you've tried other AI tools that have a steep learning curve, you'll appreciate how BigRead is designed to be accessible and easy to navigate. Another key feature is how BigRead AI helps with content generation. By analyzing the context of your input, BigRead AI can suggest improvements, create new text, or even assist in rewriting content, all while maintaining consistency with your original voice. It's like having a personal content assistant who gets smarter over time. Here's something that really sets BigRead apart: the speed. I've used a ton of AI software, but BigRead AI processes text much faster than others on the market. Whether it's breaking down a 10-page report or summarizing a 50-minute podcast, BigRead does it with ease and speed, giving you more time to act on your findings. And finally, BigRead AI is constantly evolving. Since its release, the software has been updated regularly to add new features and improve the user experience. So, if you try it now and find it useful, just know it's going to keep getting better with time. Before I wrap up, don't forget, if you're interested in trying BigRead AI for yourself, you can get started completely free by clicking the link in the description below. I've spent hours testing and reviewing thousands of AI tools, and after all that, BigRead AI is one of my top recommendations, especially for those looking for efficiency in processing information. And if you're curious about other AI software that can help you streamline your work or personal projects, I've linked some of my favorites below. Thanks for watching and happy reading.